Hello there and welcome back to Science with a Coffee. This is the practice video for lesson 3 on drawing Bohr-Rutherford diagrams. So in lesson 3 I gave you 3 examples for you to try at home and then to check your answers in this video. So let's take up the 3 diagrams that you should have drawn, which was helium, nitrogen, and sulfur. I have them drawn here already, so let's jump into helium. So helium, its atomic number is 2, which means it will also then have 2 protons, because the atomic number, if you remember, is equal to the number of protons, which in this case is 2. So you have 2 protons. The atomic mass is composed of the neutrons and protons. We already know we have 2 protons, which means that half, in this case, of the atomic mass will be then the protons, which means the other half, or 2, will be 2 neutrons, which is just 4 minus 2, or the atomic mass minus the number of protons, which will leave us with 2 neutrons. Now, in this case, we are drawing neutral atoms, so the number of protons will equal the number of electrons. So helium will have 2 protons, 2 neutrons, so the atomic mass adds up to 4. It has 2 protons, because the atomic number is 2, and it has 2 electrons in the first shell. Moving on to nitrogen. Nitrogen is number 7 on the periodic table, so atomic number 7. It weighs 14 atomic mass units. It has 7 protons, and 14 minus 7 is 7 neutrons. Then we'll have 7 electrons because it is a neutral atom, so we can fill up the first shell with 2 electrons and 2 electrons only. So that leaves 5 more electrons, and those will go in the next shell or energy level. So again, I draw mine at the 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so I draw mine at the 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. This way I can keep it organized, and it's easily to keep track of them and count them, as you will see with sulfur. So again, we're adding 5 in the second shell, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can double up on whichever one you want. There's no right or wrong way to do that. I just picked this one because I'm left-handed, but I picked the other ones over here just to show. Now, if we jump to sulfur, it has 16 protons to go with its atomic number 16. It weighs 32 AMU, so 32 minus 16 again is half, so we have another 16 things which have to be neutrons. So 16 plus 16 will equal to 32. Then we have 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second, that will add up to 10, and then we need 6 in the outermost energy level or shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, it's nicely organized and very easy to count all the electrons when you keep it at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, and then you pair them up when needed. So again, I paired up these ones. You can pair up these ones first. It really doesn't matter in the end. Now, I hope this video helped. I hope these practice videos are helping you. If they are, drop a comment down below. I would love to know. Because it is extra work, and I just want to make sure that it is helping you. So if you like these videos and they're helping you out, please hit subscribe, hit the bell, and most importantly, be the ball.